Welcome students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss the topic simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a small metallic bob suspended by a long inextensible string fixed to the rigid support. Actually, simple pendulum which consists of a small metallic bob with and the end of the small piece of thread is tied to the metallic bob and other free end which is fixed to the rigid support and such that it is free to oscillate about its equilibrium position. The point on the rigid support where the free end of the bob is fixed is called point of suspension. And the position B is called central position, equilibrium position or mean position. A position and C position which are called extreme position. Initially the bob is at rest, that is at the position B when no force is applied on it. As we apply the force or push the metallic bob B from its mean position, it starts to oscillate about its equilibrium position. So in this figure, maximum displacement of bob from B to C, that is mean position or equilibrium position to extreme position, is called amplitude. This figure AB and BC are the amplitude and which are always equal when it is said to be one oscillation completed. As the bob starts move from its first extreme position A to C and again come back to C to A via B position, it is said to be one oscillation is completed. Now some definition terms: amplitude, maximum displacement of a pendulum bob from its mean position on either side is called amplitude. In the above figure, AB or BC is called the amplitude of the pendulum and AB is always equal to BC. Oscillation, one complete to and fro movement of the pendulum bob about its mean position is called one oscillation. In the above figure, if motion of the bob starts from first extreme position A, then move towards the second extreme position C via B and come back to the first extreme position A, then it is said to be one oscillation is completed. Time period, the total time taken by the pendulum bob to complete one oscillation is called time period. Time period is denoted by the letter T. Now what is the formula of the time period? One formula is time period is the reciprocal of its frequency, that is time period is equal to 1 by frequency. Another formula, time period is equal to time taken by the bob divided by number of oscillations completed. SI unit of time period is second. Next is frequency. The total number of oscillation made by the pendulum bob in 1 second is called the frequency, or number of oscillation completed by the bob per second is called the frequency. Formula of frequency 1 by time period, and frequency is generally denoted by a small f, sometimes a small n. And frequency is expressed in hertz, that is SI unit of frequency is hertz. In short symbol we can write Hz. Now one numerical which is based on the formula of time period. A pendulum oscillates 50 times in 5 seconds. Find the time period and frequency. Solution. In the above question, number of oscillation is given 50 and time taken which is given 5 seconds. We know the formula time period is equal to time taken divided by number of oscillation completed by the pendulum bob. So 5 by 50, that is 1 by 10, and 1 by 10 which is equal to 0.1 second. So time period is 0.1 second. Frequency is equal to formula, that is 1 by time period. So 1 by 0.1 which is equal to 10 Hz. Thank you.